Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will compare Framer versus Figma, two leading design tools that help bring digital ideas to life. We'll explore their unique strengths, ideal use cases, and key features to help you decide which one best fits your workflow. Whether you're building a complex website or collaborating on a user interface, understanding their differences is crucial. Let's dive in and see how these platforms stack up against each other. Framer shines as a no-code website builder, letting you take your designs straight to a live site. It's perfect for creating highly interactive experiences with advanced animations and micro-interactions. You can leverage its robust component system and a wide array of templates to speed up your workflow. Plus, it includes built-in SEO and performance optimization. For those ready to publish, Framer's mini plan begins at approximately $5 per month. Build annually, removing branding and allowing custom domains. Figma stands out as a collaborative powerhouse, making it incredibly easy for teams to work together in real time. It's an industry standard for UI and UX design, offering robust tools for everything from initial wireframes to detailed prototypes. Features like auto layout and smart selection streamline the design process, ensuring consistency across projects. With its cloud-based nature, Figma is accessible on any operating system. The professional plan, offering unlimited files and advanced features, typically costs around $15 per editor per month. Deciding between Framer and Figma ultimately depends on your project's specific needs. If you're focused on building and launching interactive, high-performance websites with minimal coding, Framer is an excellent choice. However, if your priority is real-time team collaboration, comprehensive UI/UX design, and managing large design systems, Figma is likely your go-to. Evaluate your workflow, team dynamics, and project goals to select the tool that empowers you to create your best work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.